even though
even though
I don't know
I don't know
how to pay attention to myself.
how to pay attention to myself.
Still, I deeply and completely
Still, I deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself,
and accept myself,
even though
even though
I need to do things for myself.
I need to do things for myself,
And I know what I want,
and I know what I want,
but I can't do it.
but I can't do it.
The situation doesn't allow me.
The situation doesn't allow me.
Still, I deeply and completely
Still, I deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself,
and accept myself,
even though
even though
I try to tell people
I try to tell people
not to disturb me.
not to disturb me.
But still,
But still,
when that happens,
when that happens,
I feel helpless,
I feel helpless,
even irritated.
even irritated.
Still, I deeply and completely
Still, I deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and accept myself.
Now tap here, beginning of eyebrow point पे, यहाँ देखो, यहाँ पर टैप करो, ये दो उंगलियों से, ठीक है? And repeat after me.
At the time where I have to close my eyes or I have to keep my eyes open by tapping anywhere.
To see where I'm tapping, you'll have to in between open your eyes. है ना? I'll describe also, लेकिन एक बार जरा सा आंख खोल के देख लेना, ठीक है ना?
हाँ नहीं वो मैं देखती रहूंगी बट बीच बीच में बंद कर
हाँ हाँ अच्छा रहता है. Yeah, tap the beginning of eyebrow point and say, I feel helpless.
I feel helpless.
Now tap here at the end of the eyes point. I get disturbed.
I get disturbed.
Below the eyes, I don't know how to attend to myself.
I don't know how to attend to myself.
Below the nose, how will I know how to do things for myself?
How will I know how to do things for myself?
Chin group. The situation is such.
The situation is such.
Now below the collarbone here. I can't do things my way.
I can't do things my way.
Now tap below the armpits. Not here, but here. हाँ थोड़ा नीचे, correct. So दोनों side. I have to go with the timing of others in the house.
I have to go with timing of others with time.
Now here, below the, yes. Below the, on the lower ribs actually. In front. I can't help it.
I can't help it.
Thumbnail pe, where the junction of nail and skin is. Right.
Yeah.
I feel helpless.
I feel helpless.
Forefinger. I feel irritated.
I feel irritated.
Middle finger. How to pay attention to myself.
How to pay attention to myself.
Little finger. It's a little confusing.
It's little confusing.
Karate chop. Still, I deeply and completely.
Still, I deeply and completely.
No. Other side. I deeply and completely love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and accept myself.
I choose to pay attention to myself.
pay attention to myself.
And I deeply and completely
And I deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and accept myself.
I choose to listen to my higher self.
listen to my higher self.
And I deeply and completely
And I deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and accept myself.
I choose to be in touch with the universe.
be in touch with the universe.
Be grateful to the universe.
Be grateful to the universe.
And I deeply and completely
And I deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and accept myself.
I choose to be
I choose to be
free from this helplessness.
free from this helplessness.
And I deeply and completely
And I deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and accept myself.
Tap the beginning of eyebrow point. Free from this helplessness.
Free from my helplessness.
Tap here at the eye end. Completely free from this helplessness.
Completely free from this helplessness.
Tap below the eyes and say, totally free from this helplessness.
Totally free from this helplessness.
Below the nose, free from all the causes of this helplessness.
Free from all the causes of the helplessness.
Chin groove. Completely free from all the causes of this helplessness.
Completely free from all these causes of helplessness.
Below the collarbone. Totally free from all the causes of this helplessness.
Totally free from the causes of the helplessness.
Below the armpits. Take charge of myself.
In charge of myself.
On the lower ribs. Pay attention to myself.
Pay attention to myself.
Side of the thumbnail. Be in tune with the nature.
Be in tune with the nature.
Forefinger. Pay attention to what the universe wants from me.
Pay attention to what the universe wants from me.
Middle finger. Be grateful for whatever it is.
Be grateful to whatever it is.
Little finger. For my highest good.
For my highest good.
Karate chop. And I deeply and completely
And I deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and accept myself.
On the left shoulder, find the soft spot with 2 fingers, massage in rotational motion as you take a deep breath in. And gently press and hold the point as you breathe out long from the mouth.
Very nice.